I hate cough medicine so much. I'm sick, probably. Howdy everyone, and the DV here with another vlog. So, yeah, I think I might be getting sick just because I've been coughing a lot, been sneezing a lot recently. Also, I was recording an episode of future Let's Play. Actually, I think the Let's Play that I'm recording for, like, the first episode of it comes out the day this vlog comes out, so, yeah. I recorded an episode of Pokemon Uranium, and I coughed a bit in it, and I had to edit out some sniffles, but, yeah, it's a thing. Being sick sucks, so, yeah. Anyways, I have some errands to do, so I will go do them, because errands are a thing. Okay, so some time has passed, and I'm listening to Xenoblade Chronicles 2 music to get me hyped up for the game, because it comes out tomorrow. I also just got an email, like a couple hours ago, saying that my thing shipped, so excited. Excited for that, but, YouTube rolled out a new feature that's still in beta. It's called Studio, the YouTube Studio. So I'm taking a look at it. Also, I have the entirety of A Bird Story scheduled, so, yeah. I feel really good about that. But, it's interesting. I mean, right over here we have, like, your video list. There's a thing for your analytics. There's comments. Missing features, I don't know what that is. Oh, things that aren't built into the beta yet. But it's interesting. I mean, eventually at some point, like, everyone is going to have Studio Beta, or just Studio, so it's something that everyone's going to have to get used to, because I can guarantee the minute, like, it's, like, for some people, a ton of people are going to complain, just like they do whenever YouTube changes layouts anyways. But, like, there's nothing you can do about it. You won't be able to, like, change back to the Creator Studio, like, when YouTube Studio is done, so, yeah. It just takes a matter of getting used to. But, yeah, it's interesting, at least. I mean, they do need to work on it, but still, you can just edit things like right here. Let's see, there's an edit button right here, so interesting. Again, this is all stuff that's going to take some getting used to. I'm probably just going to switch back into the Creator Studio until this is actually forced on me, just because I'm still used to that, but I'll do some messing around on Creator Studio. Also, I'm still, like, sick, kind of. Yeah, I've been coughing a lot, sneezing a lot, but, yeah. Kinda sucks, too, because Xenoblade 2 comes out tomorrow, and I want to be, like, in good health to play it. Whatever. Also, I've been playing Ultra Sun, of course, and, like, today is my, like, last day of playing, kind of. Not really, it's my last day of, like, documenting my posts, because I've been doing that over on Tumblr, but, yeah. Like, now, Ultra Sun, I'm just gonna be focusing on, like, competitive stuff, and finishing up the Pokedex, so, yeah. It's been fun. Like, I really enjoyed playing Ultra Sun. And Jamie got it yesterday, I think. But, yeah. Now that I'm done with that, I can focus on Xenoblade Chronicles 2, like I've said before. But, yeah. I guess now I'll just end it off here, and see y'all next time for another vlog. Later.